This training video demonstrates you the correct way how to use the ProGlass Professional Windscreen Repair Kit WSR 150. Most of the stone chips are repairable, so often the expensive exchange of the windscreen can be avoided. The photos show some examples of typical stone chips. In trade language, those stone chips are called beeswings, combination break, bullseyes, stars, or chips. In principle, all mentioned damages are repairable. In any case, please inform yourself about the national requirements and restrictions, which can partly be different. In this video, we are going to repair a combination break. At first, examine the damaged spot carefully. Small cracks are often not visible at first view. Also, possible contamination, which might influence the repair result unfavorably, can be perceived and discussed with the customer in advance. Next, you drill the impact point to ensure repair resin can reach the break unimpeded. Alternatively, in many cases, it is sufficient to remove loose glass chips with the carbide probe. Afterwards, clean the impact point with clear water, glass cleaner, or, if available, with compressed air. Now, fix the inspection mirror for convenient supervision of the repair from outside. In the next step, you attach the injector unit to the glass using the vacuum pump. Then adjust the injector exactly over the damaged point. Attach the hose to the injector and the hand pump now and check whether the injector has been fixed correctly. For this, generate overpressure of 2 to 3 bar. The injector is well fixed if the manometer's indicator stands still at this position. Put a few drops of ProGlass repair resin into the injector and connect the hose of the pump with the injector again. The system is now ready for use and virtual repair can be started. Shift the aluminium ring forward and activate the pump twice to produce negative pressure. The manometer's indicator should now show a value of -0.8 to -0.9 bar and stay there. The repair process will be effectively supported by warming the damaged area with a lighter or a hot air blow dryer, and the air will be pressed off the impact point. Slight pressure from the inside of the windscreen is also helpful to accelerate and improve the repair process, because it loosens bubbles and imparts also contamination. Neutralize the negative pressure after 5 to 10 minutes by shifting back the aluminium ring of the pump. Activating the pump now will produce positive pressure. For most of the repairs, a pressure of 0.8 to 1.0 bar is sufficient. Now the resin will be pressed into the damaged point. And again at this stage, heating the glass can support the repair of the windscreen because the viscosity of the resin becomes lower and therefore it is more able to creep into the hairlines. Maintain this pressure for 10 to 15 minutes to give the resin enough time to fill the whole damaged point entirely. To detach the injector unit, you first take off the connection hose. Then loosen the whole device from the windscreen by venting the suction cup. It is recommended to absorb leaking resin with a clean paper towel. Also wipe off the excessive resin from the impact point. Then fill it with a drop of pit filler resin and cover it with a Miller square. The Miller square avoids the pit filler resin running off and makes for an even thin layer. Now place the UV lamp from the outside above the damaged point. The UV light will start a chemical reaction which completely cures the resin in 2 to 3 minutes. After that, detach the UV lamp and remove the Miller square. Take off excessive resin with a razor blade and smoothen the surface. Finally polish the damaged point shiny with a drop of ProGlass glass polish. The result does not need to hide. Cracks and chips have been filled completely and are now almost invisible. Only a small spot remained of the original damage. What a difference! That is how the star looked like before the repair and like this after. The ProGlass Windscreen Repair Kit WSR 150 contains all necessary components for professional work. Handling is easy to learn and you will already achieve optimal results after a short time of exercising. So, get into the windscreen repair business and ensure your part. Windscreen repair still has got an enormous growth potential.